I'm going to show you something really cool. Check this out. Greetings, Earthlings, all my internet friends. Well, that's a beautiful day. I'm here with another awesome episode. Well, this area is Andheri West. I'm just crossing Tanishq showroom, and there's a lot of metro work have started here. Usually from my house, from Apna Bazaar to my Sykes gym, it used to take me around 10 to 12 minutes. Now because the metro work has started, so it's taking me around 20 to 25 minutes. Well, you see the sticker? Don't touch my car or else. I just saw this car ahead of me with this sticker and like, wow, this is really cool. I've gotta speak to this guy. Like right now. If there's a signal, I'm gonna have a word with him. I'm impressed, man, with this sticker. Damn cool. Yep, there's a signal. Let's talk. Hey bro, you got a cool sticker, man. Behind you got awesome with it. No words needed to be said. So no more honking. I guess his sticker does all the talking. He doesn't speak much. All he kept doing was smiling and showing his thumbs up. Well, anyways, whatever works for him. Not a bad idea. So long, bro. Again, another thumbs up. Did not utter a word. It's difficult to understand people nowadays. Anyways, moving on. See this? Metro work is killing it. This used to be 4 lanes, now it become 2 lane. And on the left side there are double parking parks, so it becomes 1 lane and a lot of traffic. Why is this guy honking so much? There is no space to go ahead. What is this with honking? No matter how much hard you try, there is no space to move ahead. See, it's become 2 lane now, and left side there's a lot of car parked. I don't know if it's legal parking, illegal parking, double parking. Well, I'm reaching my gym. Gonna get started with my work. Thank you for watching my video. If you like what I post, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Until then, see ya.